Yeah, we need to talk about this channel and where it's going and what it's doing.
Let's go and make something.
So let's talk. Yeah, we need to talk. Even after all this time, I'm still pretty bad at just talking to the camera. So it's a sec. Yep. You'll notice that in the last 6 months that I didn't put out a lot of videos. To be fair, I actually think I only put out 1 or 2 in 6 months, and that's a little bit unfair on you guys, that my followers that actually do enjoy my videos and want to put out more videos than I have in the past. However, I don't want to be on a timetable, just due to the fact that sometimes work interferes with things, getting the idea right of what I want to make, how I'm going to do it. If people are involved, like showing the videos of actually doing the house, getting them involved if they want to be involved. Saving up money to get the bits and pieces that I need, finding the bits and pieces that I need, if it's like a steampunk project. So it's not going to be on a timetable, but I do want to actually put out more videos. I started this channel 4 or 5 years ago, and I started it just as a blog, basically, or a vlog of just me tinkering in my basement, showing what I'm up to. And if those people were interested in watching it, hey, great. If you weren't interested, it didn't bother me, still doesn't bother me. But I want to get it closer to how I first started out. I want to give the fun that I used to have doing it. And that means the community. Getting back involved with the community. And getting to know you guys. My followers, my viewers, or whatever you want to call yourself. Stalkers. Yeah, stalkers. It's technically what you are. You're stalking me. I can't say that. Huh. Didn't expect that to work first pop. Alright. Yeah, and I especially want to get to know, you know, if you're a Kiwi or a New Zealander, you know, I want to get to know, open up the community, just get to know you guys more. You know a little bit about me just by watching my videos. However, you haven't had a question and answer time. I don't think I've actually done an official video on that. I want to do one of those, so if you've got any questions, just ask away. You know, if it's about my beard, why I'm growing it, why do I wear a bandana all the time. So if you've got any questions, ask away. It doesn't really matter what it is. You know, ask how old I am. 50 something, 2 I think, turning 53 this year. There you go. I'll answer most questions. When I say most, probably all of them, if I can. However, as I said, I want to get to know you guys, so I'm going to, on my Wacky Woodworks website, update my link section which has got links to a variety of other YouTubers and bloggers and all the rest of it. But if you've got a website, make contact with me, and I'll see what I can do and link it up, and I'll start reading your guys' blogs just to get to know you. As you know, I don't use my thicknesser that often, but when I do, it's usually for a planing down a fair few. So I don't need to bring it out that often because it is actually quite a heavy planer. My idea might be that it comes out on a rail system, but at the moment it's better than it's where it was sitting on the floor. It was sitting over there underneath the spindle sander. So now it's actually up off the floor, which is good. It just means I have to think about it when I do bring it out. Once every so often it comes out to do some planing. So that's one job out of the way. Oh, what was I going to say? Mind blank.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time.
Don't forget to go and make something.